Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a Chirashi Tower. Okay guys, here I got some chopped scallop, some shredded crab meat, some surf clams, some sriracha, some QP, that's Japanese mayo, some rice vinegar, sushi rice, some tobiko or masago, some nori, lemon slices, guacamole. And this is my my mold, my plate. These are tools I'm using. I'm going to be using a torch, small spoon, tweezers, and a mini spatula. Okay. Okay. So I got some sushi rice here that I cooked in the rice cooker. I took it out and then I seasoned it with the rice wine vinegar. Okay, the Japanese rice vinegar. Okay, for sushi. Okay, so my pan's nice and hot. In goes scallops. Okay, pan fried scallops. Mayo, and hot sauce, Okay, see how it goes. Okay, you don't want the sauce to split. Okay, guys, remember that. Okay, that should be good enough. Give it a nice 1 tablespoon. Mix it up. Okay, now my sauce is ready, okay? Sauce is ready. Okay guys, so what I have first for my first layer of my tower is some sushi rice, okay? Guacamole. On to the next. Little crab salad. Okay, little crab salad on there. Okay, how about that, guys? Look at that. Nice Chirashi Tower, okay? Now I'm gonna take it out, take the mold apart so you guys can see how it looks. Right, guys, here, look at my Chirashi Tower. shit's juicy.